Hello everyone. In today's video, we are going to see the past paper question based on summation of series for year 13 or grade 12 students. If you want me to make the video on any other topic, do let me know in the comment section. If you have not watched my previous video, please refer to the card on the top right of this video. Let's get started. Summation of series. We are looking for past paper question. Let WR is equal to R bracket R plus 1 bracket R plus 2 till goes on R plus 9. Show that WR plus 1 minus WR is given by this equation. WR is already given to us. I need to replace R by R plus 1. Let's do it here. WR plus 1 is written as R plus 1 bracket R plus 1 plus 1, R plus 1 plus 2, and so on till R plus 1 plus 9. This will be written as R plus 1. This will be R plus 2. This will be R plus 3. And so on till R plus 10. I need to subtract WR plus 1 minus WR. Let's do it here. WR plus 1 minus WR is given as R plus 1, R plus 2, R plus 3 and so on till R plus 10 minus WR. WR is written as R bracket R plus 1, R plus 2 and so on till R plus 9, which is equals to what is common between these two factors. The common between these two factors is R plus 1 till R plus 9. Let's write down here R plus 1 bracket R plus 2 till goes on R plus 9. It is common. What is left if I take out R plus 1 till R plus 9? If I take out as a common factor, you are left with only R plus 10. Let's write down here R plus 10 here. Minus here you are left with only R. This is equals to R plus 1 bracket R plus 2 till goes on till R plus 9. If you solve that, that will be R plus 10 minus R. R got cancelled from here and you will get the answer as 10 bracket of R plus 1, R plus 2 and so on till R plus 9. This is how you can prove this part. Let's see the second part here. Given that UR is equal to R plus 1, R plus 2 plus R plus 9, I need to find out the sum of R is equal to 1 to N UR in terms of N. As you can see that UR, this R plus 1 till R plus 9 is the same as this function here. I can replace this function here by UR. Let's replace it here first. WR plus 1 minus of WR is equal to 10 UR. I hope there is no problem here. I need to get the sum from R is equal to 1 to N. Let's do the sum here. R is equal to 1 to N. WR plus 1 minus of WR is equal to 10 sigma R is equal to 1 to N UR. I need to calculate this part, so 10 I have to divide it on this side. Let's write down here sigma UR R is equal to 1 to N is given as 1 over 10 sigma R is equal to 1 to N WR plus 1 minus of WR. Let's substitute the values as R is equal to 1, 2, 3 on the right hand side. This will be equal to 1 over 10 bracket W. If I put R is equal to 1, this will be 2 minus W1. Then if I put 2 here, that will be written as W3 minus of W2. Then if I put 3 here, that will be written as W4 minus of W3 and so on till if you write down N minus 1. Then it will be W N minus 1 plus 1 minus of W N minus 1. Then R is equal to N. That will be written as W N plus 1 minus of W N. These are all the values you will receive it. Let's see that W2 got cancelled with negative W2. W3 will also got cancelled. This will be written as Wn. So Wn will be cancelled with minus Wn. Wn minus 1 will also got cancelled with the previous one. W4 will also got cancelled from the next one. you are left with only minus W1 and Wn plus 1. Let's write down here. That will be equal to 1 over 10 Wn plus 1 minus of W1. I need to write down the value for Wn plus 1 and W1. Let's substitute this here. 1 over 10 Wn plus 1 I will substitute in Wr. R will be replaced by n plus 1. The value will be written as n plus 1 bracket of n plus 1 plus 1, n plus 1 plus 2, and so on till n plus 1 plus 9. Minus W1. 1 means I have to replace R by 1. So the values will be written as 1, bracket 2, bracket 3, and all of them multiplied by bracket 10. If I solve that here, that will be equal to 1 over 10. This will be n plus 1, bracket of n plus 2, n plus 3, and so on till n plus 10. Minus 1 cross 2 cross 3 till 10 is written as factorial 10 here. Let's multiply the 10 inside the bracket here. That will be written as 1 over 10 bracket of n plus 1, n plus 2, n plus 3, and so on till n plus 10, minus of factorial 10 divided by 10. Factorial 10 will be written as 10 multiplied by factorial 9. Let's write down here. This will be written as 1 over 10 bracket of n plus 1, n plus 2, n plus 3, and so on till n plus 10, minus of 10 bracket of factorial 9. 10 got cancelled from here and your answer will be 1 over 10 n plus 1, n plus 2, n plus 3 till goes on n plus 10 minus of factorial 9. This will be your answer for that part. Let's see the third part here. Given that Vr is equal to x raised to the power Wr plus 1 minus x raised to the power Wr, find the set of values for x for which the infinite series V1, V2, V3, addition of all of them till goes on, is convergent and give the sum to infinity when this exists. I need to calculate V1 plus V2 plus V3 and so on. This is the value for Vr is given as, let's substitute R is equal to 1, 2, 3 and so on. V1 is written as x to the power W2 minus of x raised to the power W1. V2 is written as x raised to the power W3 minus of x raised to the power W2. V3 is written as x raised to the power W4 minus of x raised to the power W3. I am adding V1 plus V2 plus V3 and so on. This will be written as x raised to the power W2 minus x raised to the power W1 plus x raised to the power W3 minus of x raised to the power W2 plus x raised to the power W4 minus x raised to the power W3 and so on. If I write down till n minus 1, I will write down as x raised to the power Wn minus 1 plus 1 minus of x raised to the power Wn minus 1 plus, if I substitute R is equal to n, then x raised to the power Wn plus 1 minus of x raised to the power Wn. These are the all values you will receive it. As you can see from here, x raised to the power W2 got cancelled with negative W2. X raised to the power W3 also got cancelled. W4 will also got cancelled with negative W raised to the power 4. X raised to the power Wn minus 1 will also got cancelled with the previous one. This is basically x w raised to the power n, which will got cancelled from this term. You are only left with x raised to the power Wn plus 1 minus x raised to the power W1. I need to calculate the set of values for x for which this infinite series is convergent. For the convergence, the relation is mod of x should be less than 1 or x is greater than negative 1 less than 1. This is the condition for convergence. I need to see that whether sigma n is equal to 1 to infinity that will exist or not. Let's see that here. Sigma n is equal to 1 to infinity Vn. What is the value for Vn? The value for Vr is V1 plus V2 plus V3, which is given by this equation. I can substitute that here. N is equal to 1 to infinity. x raised to the power wn plus 1 minus of x raised to the power w1. I can change this to limit n tends to infinity x raised to the power wn plus 1 minus x raised to the power w1. I know that the value for w1 was factorial 10 here. I can replace this here. This will be written as limit n tends to infinity x raised to the power wn plus 1 minus x raised to the power factorial 10. I need to see that what is the value for this one when limit tends to infinity. Let's see the case 1 here. Case first. I need to see the value when mod of x is less than 1. I need to see that what value this will turn to. If it is divergent, this will turn to any other number, but if it is convergent, that should convert into 0. Let's see that how we are going to calculate that. We know that wn plus 1 is written as n plus 1 bracket of n plus 2 and so on till n plus 10. As n tends to infinity here, this wn plus 1 also tends to infinity. When mod of x raised to the power k is there, as k tends to infinity, this tends to 0. We have x to the power wn plus 1. We are looking for the condition that mod of x is less than 1. So this will be mod of x raised to the power wn plus 1. wn plus 1 tends to infinity. This k tends to infinity. That means this value turns to 0. X raised to the power wn plus 1 will turn to 0. As this turns to 0, this shows you that this is convergent. Let's see the second case here. Case second, when mod of x is equal to 1. If I open mod x, this will be written as x is equal to plus minus 1. I need to see the value for both x is equal to plus minus 1. Let's take x is equal to 1 here. So 1 raised to the power wn plus 1 is given as the value 1. If you give any power to 1, the answer is 1 only. When we are taking x is equal to minus 1 raised to the power wn plus 1. If you give any power to negative 1, that will be equal to negative 1. As they tends to 1 and minus 1, that means this is divergent. They don't turn to 0. Let's write down here. This is divergent as they does not tend to 0. Let's see the third case here. When mod of x is greater than 1. When mod of x is greater than 1, mod of x raised to the power k tends to infinity as k turns to infinity. This shows you that x raised to the power wn plus 1 tends to infinity as wn plus 1 tends to infinity. This is also divergent as this doesn't turns to 0. The only condition for that is convergent is mod of x is less than 1. This is the condition for convergence. Now we are again going to look for our question here. When mod of x is less than 1, my series tends to 0 and this is my convergent. I can put in limit n tends to infinity, x raised to the power wn plus 1 will be 0 and minus of x raised to the power 10 factorial will remain the same. Let's write down here limit n tends to infinity, x raised to the power wn plus 1 minus x raised to the power 10 factorial is written as 0 minus of x raised to the power 10 factorial. The value for this is negative x raised to the power 10 factorial as this is independent of n. That will be the answer for our second part. If it tends to infinity, what will be our value? Our value will be negative x raised to the power factorial 10. That's how you can solve it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed my video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment down below. Bye bye everyone.